class 10 biology, chapter 1 cell division. We are continuing with 14th question of 1 marks. We are discussing about 1 marks question in the last video, and now we are continuing and we are resuming that. The 14th question. Give one point of difference between the following on the basis what is given in the bracket. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis. It is a division. We have to give the definition. Here the definition which has came in 2007. Okay. Karyokinesis. It is the division of nucleus that occurs during cell division. Cytokinesis. It is the division of cytoplasm that takes place soon after karyokinesis. Coming to the next question. Name the organelle which initiates cell division in animal cell. The answer is centrosome. Coming to the next question. True or false? If false, correct the statement. This question has been come in 2004. Cytokinesis is a division of cytoplasm. So this statement is true. Coming to the next question, arrange the terms in a logical sequence. So first will be interphase, then prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase. You have to write in a logical sequence. I am giving the numbering here for now. Okay. Coming to the next question. Now we will discuss about 2 marks question. Now the question will start from 2 marks. After that 5 marks question. Okay. So first of all, true or false? If false, then correct the statement. This has come in 2011. Okay. Lysosome is a part of the cell in which chromosomes are present. So this statement is false. So what will be the correct? You have to just replace one word. In place of lysosome, it will be nucleus. Okay, it will be nucleus. Then centromere is the organelle of the cell that initiates cell division. This statement is also false, and in the place of centromere, it will be centrosome. Okay. Centrosome. Coming to the next question, mention the difference between mitosis and meiosis with reference to the number of daughter cells formed at the end of the cell division. Okay, I have provided the answer here. In mitosis, 2 daughter cells are formed. 2 daughter cells are produced, and in meiosis, 4 daughter cells are produced. Second question, and this has came in 2008. Okay, and this is the sub part of that question. This is a whole question which has came in 2008. Okay, the chromosome number of daughter cell formed. In mitosis, 46 number of chromosomes are formed, and in meiosis, 23 number of chromosomes are formed. Next question. Give reasons gametes have a haploid number of chromosomes. This question has came in 2006, and this is a very important question. Very important question. And you should put that very important tag in this. Okay. You should write it in your copy. This can come in your exam, board examination, in your school examinations, everything. Okay. You have to learn this by heart because this is the main thing. This is the very important question which you should not leave. I should prefer you should not leave this. Okay. So the answer is gametes. Question is gametes have a haploid number of chromosomes. So answer, gametes have a haploid number of chromosomes because they are formed by meiotic cell division. During meiosis, the chromosome number is reduced in such a way that each daughter cell receives half set of chromosomes of the parent cell. Okay, you have to write like this, and it is a 2 marks question. Okay, you have to write this whole, then only you will get 2 marks. If you don't want to write this, don't write this. Just you mention that it is formed by meiotic cell division, and you have to write this. This is the main important para. Okay, coming to the next question. This question is of 2 marks. This question is of 2 marks, and it has come in 2002. We are discussing of 20-year paper of biology. Okay, I am providing 20 years full. Okay, column B is a list of items related to ideas in column A. Match the terms in column B with suitable idea given in column A. Column A, chromosome becomes arranged in a horizontal plane at the equator. Okay, so what will be it? This will be your metaphase. Okay, this will be your metaphase. Its answer will be metaphase. The options are given here. This is a match the following one. Okay, so I am writing here 1 and metaphase, because the chromosomes are getting aligned in the horizontal plane at the equator, and the equator word comes in the metaphase. Coming to the next question, daughter chromosomes move to opposite poles of the spindle. So the answer will be opposite poles. Okay, opposite, ana means opposite. So this answer will be anaphase. Okay, this is 2. Okay, the answer will be anaphase because the word opposite have came, and ana means opposite. Okay, coming to the third one, chromosome become visible as fine long threads. Okay, chromosome become visible as fine long threads. So the answer will be prophase. Prophase. Okay. Then coming to the next question, chromosomes lose their distinctness and gradually become transformed into chromatin network. This will be telophase. Okay, this will be telophase. That's it for today, guys, and in next video